Sadly, it's common for people to just pull over and dump their load of trash right along the edge of the road. Construction crews do it a lot. They just pull up and start dumping. Nobody says anything. This is where a tour bus parked, and they unloaded all their trash right and left it right there. It's right behind the mall. This is kind of the remnants of it. Trash in Asia. Now over here, this is where they put up scaffolding for the fair that was here just this past week. The workers left all their trash that's sitting right there. This is right at the mall. I don't know when or if anyone will pick it up. I videoed this area yesterday, complaining about the trash that all the fair goers and the bus people just unloaded and left sitting there. And the workers that were setting up the scaffolding down here, they left a whole pile of trash, the workers. And I come today and look, it's all cleaned up. In fact, these edges down here were all full of trash. They raked and swept it all. Thailand impresses me once again. They missed one or two. But man, there's a big pile right here. There was a big pile right there. I showed you guys. So yeah, they do pick up the trash. Eventually it gets cleaned up pretty nice. And I don't get killed right here. I don't know what these are, but the wild eggplants, I think these are the ones the Thai eat. No, maybe not these. They grow wild all over on the train tracks. You can eat these though. A guy from Singapore showed me these. They're not ripe yet when they turn yellow. Probably about to use the bathroom. Bangkanpur night market. You have these noisy birds in Thailand. I'm by their nest, I think, or they got some babies around here. Some big sandpiper thing. They're real noisy. They kind of attack you if you're walking by. They harass me every day when I walk past here. They must have a nest. Kind of a pretty sandpiper. I don't think you can see it there probably. Fish trap. Deluya. We call them Deluya. First time I've been out here. This is their soccer field. Hua Hin Arena.
ดอกตัดหญ้าพอดีนะครับและที่ตัดหญ้านะด้วยตัดแต่งกิ่งพอดีนะครับนะยังโจรและต้องการอย่างหนึ่งอย่างใดก็ขอเชิญชวนนะครับนะเยอะแยะมากมายนะเด็กกล้าตาสีเสื้อก็มี
Bunch of bananas on the way home from the mall, one of the local street vendors. There were 30 baht, that's 90 cents. That's a lot of bananas. Look at this double one. You never see that in the States. They can grow together like that. Yeah, that's a lot of bananas. These are the little small sweet ones too. These are good. It's over a kilo probably for under $1. Gotta love prices in Thailand.